Good morning, students. This is chapter 9, Soil, part 6. In this chapter, we will learn about some activity and checkpoint. So, let's start. Our next point is moisture content of soil. Due to the difference in the rate of percolation and water absorption capacity of different type of soil, the moisture content is also different. Naturally, if rate of percolation and water absorption are different in different soil, so the moisture content of soil also will be different. Moisture in soil depends upon the soil type and the weather soil and the weather. Soil becomes dry and cracks appear in it. If the temperature is too high and there is no rain, there must be a desert. If there is temperature is very high and there is no rain, what will happen? That area becomes desert. So moisture is also a very important property of soil. Activity to calculate the water absorbency of a given sample of soil. Let's continue. Material: measuring cylinder, glass rod, some soil, newspaper sheet and water. Okay. What we have to do? Take a weight amount of soil, means soil का आप amount weight ले लीजिए. Let's take weight is 50 gram in a china dish. China dish means a simple bone china dish. Heat it on a burner. When we heat, what will happen? All the moisture present in the soil will evaporate. Or put it in an oven if available, till the soil sample becomes absolutely dry. Weight the soil again. Suppose it is 45 grams, means 5 gram of water is evaporated. Find the percentage of moisture present in it. You can repeat this experiment in different season, in different soil around the year, and do a project on soil. Okay, we will give it. Discussion and conclusion. Calculate the percentage of moisture. First we have 50 gram, then 45 gram. So W1 minus W2 divided by W1. First the amount of the soil is 50. So it is divided by, means volume of water evaporated divided by weight of soil. So volume of evaporated water is 5 grams divided by 50. And if we have to calculate in percentage, then we multiply with 100. So our answer is 500 divided by 50 is equal to 10, means 10%. You can do it with in different season with different soil also. This is our first activity. Second activity is to collect sample of different type of soil and analyze them. Material: samples of clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Procedure: clean the soil by removing pebbles and dead leaves. ठीक है? Okay, remove pebbles and dead leaves. This can be done by sieving or by hand picking. Keep a fistful of 3 types of soil. 3 मुट्ठी आपको लेना है soil separately. 3 types of soil separately in 3 plate and add water slowly, 1 spoon at a time, enough to absorb, and let them absorb. Knead the soil into a ball. Try making different shapes of toys of your choice, like a bird, animal, aeroplane, whatever you want, using the needed soil. आपको उससे बना लेना है बाद में. Actually we have to calculate water absorption. Discussion and conclusion. Calculate the water absorbency of the soil using the formula. What is the formula? Volume of water absorbed divided by weight of the soil. So water you have to look. That's why we have given measuring flask or measuring cylinder. Volume is absorbed, we have to calculate, and weight of the soil, and just make percentage, in percentage or without percentage. Just calculate all these things and make a table. Okay, that was the second activity. Answer in 1 or 2 words. Layer of soil rich in minerals, B horizon or subsoil. Mostly B horizon, as a topsoil is also rich in mineral, but we have written here B horizon. B, layer of soil rich in humus, it is A horizon or topsoil. A section showing distinct layer of soil, it is soil profile. And last one is breaking down of rocks by climate changes, it is called weathering. Arrange the different type of soil in the increasing order. This we will do in class. Rate of percolation and percentage of water absorbed. Okay, this is all for today. Okay then, thank you so much.